Good afternoon, everyone. This is our case study, enhancing student engagement and problem-solving skills through technology-driven teaching, empowering educators for critical thinking.
In this abstract, the development of critical thinking abilities is being stressed more and more in today's classroom as a prerequisite for successful learning.
For introduction, in this case study, we base the question connected to the technology used for learning and teaching on how they adapt it and what their experience while using it.
In this method, our research design is qualitative method of this study. And research locale is the population in this study is composed of 20 participants, 10 for students and 10 for teachers. And our sampling technique is purposive sampling because we need the most time-effective method available.
Our research instrument, the survey questionnaire will be given to the two participants of the study. First is social demographic profile, second is answering the question. Our ethical issues. This research will strictly implement a highly confidential treatment to all data gathered and drawn in the study. Our data analysis, the researcher will use surveys questionnaire which will be a qualitative data. Our data gathering, the researcher will secure to the participant and send the questionnaire using Google form that will be administered to the participant of the study.
So next is the result. Impact and effectiveness of technology on junior high school and senior high school students and teachers. It shows in the table that out of 10 respondents, 80% of them answered that the technology in the classroom, it gives them a strength and enhance their engagement and improvement of their critical thinking skills. It gives them a deeply understanding the lesson task and engage actively in the lesson. While 75% of them answered that the technology is helpful for their learning experience. On the other hand, 35% of them answered it is easier to learn, engage, and think using technology.
Based on the table, it shows that out of 12 research respondents, 40% of them answered that providing students with problem-solving tasks, they can critically think and develop their problem-solving skills. While 35% of the research respondents answered that collaborative learning is a big help in the learning process of the students. On the other hand, 30% of them answered that interactive discussion can cut the interest and attention of the students' learning process.
Discussion. These sections present the summary of main findings, discusses on how technology teaching practices can empower educators to foster critical thinking, engage students more deeply, and support the development of problem-solving skills. And here are the main findings of our case study. First is the empowering student educators. Second is enhancing student engagement. And the last is supporting problem-solving skills.
Technology-driven teaching holds significant potential for enhancing student engagement and developing problem-solving skills. By empowering educators with these necessary tools and training, we can create dynamic learning environments that foster critical thinking and prepare students for the future challenges. That's all to our case study. Thank you.